Good afternoon, 6th grade. We are going to do an active read today. So you should go to Metabolism, click on Chapter 2, Body Systems, and then find Lesson 2.2, Patient Stories, and click on that. Then you will scroll and go to the number 2 in Amplify. And this will take you to the active reading. Here you will click on the article set called Patient Stories. And then that's going to take you to this, where we will begin our active read together. It says, with every breath and every bite of food, the human body takes in millions of molecules. This is something that I would consider highlighting. And then I would make a highlight, and then I would click again. Oh, there's the definition. I would click on notes. And here is where I would make a connection to the simulation. I would say that, let me click out of there, that those molecules that enter the body are glucose, oxygen, and protein. Then I'm going to continue reading. These molecules are so small that they can't be seen under a common microscope, but the body can't live without them. How can something so tiny be so important to the health of the whole body? When everything works properly, the body gets certain molecules from food and from the air. The molecules enter the cells of the body and provide everything the cells need to be healthy. Healthy cells make up healthy organs, and healthy organs work together in systems to keep the body breathing, moving, thinking, and releasing energy. Here I'm going to make a note to this sentence. I'm going to again highlight it because that helps me, and then I am going to ask some questions. So my question is, what happens if cells aren't healthy? And then I'm also curious about, can cells be fixed or repaired? And then I'm going to go ahead and save that. The relationship between molecules and health isn't just a cool idea. Tiny molecules can actually make a person feel better or worse. I'm curious about how can these make the person feel worse? And I have a feeling that as I read this article, it might answer this question. So you can see in just the introduction, I was able to make a connection, ask questions, that hopefully I will find answers to. You should continue to read your article while making a minimum of 5 quality annotations. However, from some of you, many of you, I expect up to 10 quality annotations. Do a great job and learn lots.